All right, without wasting time, let's invite some of our guests here real quick. They will just talk to us briefly and feel free to ask all your questions. Let's bring up stage first one of our great mentors, Abu. Okay, before I bring Abu, let's go to Olaide. Hey, sis, how are you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. I just want to encourage everybody that is planning to join the new class that it's going to be an amazing experience. For me, it was life changing, and I would also encourage everybody too that you need to put in the work. There are no 100% assurances when it comes to getting. I mean, anyone that's going to tell you, oh, we're going to get you a job is lying. You need to put in the work. And fortunately, this is the very right space for everybody. Mr. King is going to give you a lot of work to do. And then I'll encourage everybody to take advantage of all the resources that are available. It will be worth it. I was in the January class, and um, in my case, I got a job even before the end of the class. And even though that's not the experience of everybody, it was it was um it was a lot of work on my part. So I'll just encourage everybody joining this class. I did not have previous IT background. I should stress that. I I studied law, so I did not have any previous IT background. But there is enough resources in this class to equip you to get a job and to also succeed on the job. So I wish everybody all the best. And yeah, I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sis. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thanks for taking the time out of your schedule. I appreciate it. Thank you, sis.